Welcome to 2110 Gambrills, Maryland. This is a gorgeous property. Truly gorgeous area. So let's head in and take a look. Hey! I love this split level. I feel like I come in and just immediately have options. So let's check out the downstairs first. Not ready. We've got this beautiful, could be a coffee bar, breakfast nook, or it could be a bar, depending on what you like. All right, there's a lot of doors here. I can't wait. So here's our laundry room. It's a big laundry room. And very convenient. Alright, so this could be a bedroom or what looks like an office. We've got a fairly sizable closet over here. The sellers understand me. They have every door already open, almost. Okay, so there's all that. Then in here, bedroom number 1 or 2, depending. We've got a nice little walk-in closet. Nope, it's not a walk-in. I lied. But it is the level of organization in this closet would help me out, as my husband would tell you. Power. Where's the light? Let's check out. And there I am again. Okay. What's behind door number 1? Oh, full shower. Okay. Ooh, beautiful. Updated. I love these floors. Amazing. Door number, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Door number 5. Ah, the cupboard under the stairs, but there's no Harry Potter here. Am I dating myself when I make those references? Probably. Another door! This one I know goes out to the garage. Oh, this is a sizable garage. Actually. So this is just too comfortable to lounge in. This is, in my opinion, one of the coolest parts of the house. So to me, this screams jacuzzi, or if you like, a little out of the sun area. A theater teacher in high school used to live in this neighborhood. He might still, but I love that. So when I got married, one of my fantasies was to be able to do it at my parents' house. And you actually could do it here, which is oh no! The fall of the dinosaurs, right here on this deck. And we're upstairs, where there is a vicious guard dog. Good boy. And then just to give you perspective, here's our split level area. So we were started down there, and now we're up here. Doors, doors, doors. You've seen How I Met Your Mother? Boats, boats, boats. Doors, doors, doors. Oh, lots of doors in here. So this would be bedroom number, let's see, 3 or 4 at this point, right? Or 2. Okay, we got a full bath. Lovely. I think one of the nicest parts of this house is it looks like it needs very little, if no work at all. It's very move-in ready looking to me. This is a walk-in closet. Got a nice spacious closet. I love that. All right, let's count. We had 1 or 2 bedrooms downstairs. Here we've got the 3rd or the 2nd, and this would be the 4th or the 3rd, depending. I love this barn door. I get for the space saving. You know, not having a door that opens and shuts as much as I love to open and shut doors. I really do like that, actually. So yeah, pretty spacious. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're at 4 or 5 bedrooms, depending. Another barn door closet. It really doesn't need much work in terms of, I mean, you can change what you like, but not bad. I wish my parents had cared enough to give me a cool bunk bed like that. We got a closet, linen closet here. And we have another full bath. This is beautiful. So far, we've got 3 full bathrooms. Now you can't just look on Zillow, and that will obviously tell you how many bathrooms we have. Oh, puppy dog, gosh, the cutest part of the house. Does he come with the house? I guess that's the big question, huh? Do we get the dog? And then they've got what looks like an addition behind me, but let's take a quick look at the kitchen first. Doors! Very nice, very nice. I like the pantry out here. Ton of space. I'm drooling. Got nice updated countertops, cupboards, cabinets. It's so beautiful. And a big old fridge. A fireplace. Dining area, obviously. Now this addition is one of my favorite parts. This is massive. Yes, that is. Oh, and that is wood burning. Double check that on Zillow, but I'm pretty sure. Ooh, doors, doors, doors! Another little closet here. If you have kids, you can see how valuable these are. Ooh, this goes back pretty far, actually. Looks like, yeah, that's bigger than I thought it was. So I got more storage here. I love all these spots in this house that have storage, which I myself would surely put a bunch of stuff in and immediately lose all the storage space by filling it, but looks like this could be an entertainment area if you wanted to make it one as well, or put your lightsaber collection, whichever you prefer. Another door with another similar storage space as the other side. It's probably good. It kind of makes it less appealing to slightly less appealing to go crawling in there as a kid, which you probably don't want. Right. As you come out the door, a walkway to where we keep the wood for the wood burning stoves. Oh, heck yes. This could be anything. I don't know if this is zoned for chicken coops, but yep, I'm one of those people. I would be exploring how to do that. But even if not that, kind of do anything with this space. Oh, and we have another tool shed. Oh, heck yes. All right, so this is your property if you like DIY projects as well. Looks like a little trail. Stop it. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna look up the park that this is connected to because I am pretty sure there's more trail back in those woods. Oh, Pepper would love this. Okay, well, I don't want to break the shed, but it looks like they... Oh, okay, here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Noises of excitement. Look at this. Oh, that's beautiful. So again, a space you can do pretty much anything you want with. So in my opinion, this is probably the cutest, coolest property. If you have kids, if you need space, and you are looking to back up to the woods back here, I mean, it just doesn't get much better than that, in my opinion. 2110 Hallmark Drive in Gambles, Maryland. And I'm Claire at MarylandRealEstateLady.com. Feel free to contact me for a showing and meet this great dog. All right, you guys have a great day.